Redline Performance rear clutch pulley for GY6 applications. These are GY6 150, 125, 169. Typically come with motor codes 157 QMJ, 161 QMK, 152 QMI, a bunch of others. If you remove this nut and slide this up, you can see that we have the adjustable sheave. These grooves allow you to select exactly what type of performance you want to output for the scooter. So the straighter spline here will get you quicker takeoff, and the more bent spline here, which is not selected, will get you higher top speed. So you can adjust your clutch pulley based on what kind of output performance you're looking to get out of your motor. Once again, Redline Performance parts are only available at Scooterworks USA. Check out Scooterworks.com today for all your Redline racing parts.